Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronke Daranijo of Aronia Culture. I want to use this medium to say Happy New Year to you all. If this is your first time on this channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button below and please turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So today's tutorial is going to be a so long tutorial. This is a video I made when I was making this beautiful wedding gown for my client, so it promises to be very detailed, so come along with me. So the first part I'll be working with is the lower part, and in working with the lower part I'll be using doll face satin and the tulle net. You can use your suit lining or dodgers in place of the doll face, so if you don't want it heavy. So this is my tulle net. I'm trying to put it together, and you can see me on the table. I've folded it small so it's easy to cut, and then I'm trying to cut out the edge so I can have a straight edge. And the next thing I want to do is just take the length of the lower part, that's from the half length. And this is my doll face here that I'm trying to cut my 180-degree flare for the lower base, and I'll be cutting two of it, one for the main base where the tulle will be coming on top, and the other for the lining. I hope you get that. So I'm just inputting a waist radius and the length that I want, and I'm cutting out. Alright, it's making a wedding gown, you need a large space to work with. Alright, so this is what the outcome look like, and the next thing I want to do is to work on my petticoat. Yeah, I got this petticoat for about 8,000 naira, and what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to revamp the petticoat, and I turned it to the back to remove all the hoop bones that I have there so I can work on it with my hard net. So if you like to see the final look of this wedding gown, please stay tuned. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button below, and please give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Thank you very much.